Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix an iPhone 6's Plus that won't turn on. First, connect your iPhone to a charger and let it charge for at least 30 minutes. Sometimes a completely drained battery prevents it from powering on immediately. Next, try a force restart. Hold down both the home button and the power button simultaneously for about 10 seconds until the Apple logo appears. This often resolves minor software glitches. If a force restart doesn't work, connect your iPhone to a computer with iTunes or Finder. See if your computer recognizes the device. If it does, you might be able to restore it from a backup. If not, try putting your iPhone into DFU mode. This is a deeper restore option that can resolve more stubborn software issues, but be aware it will erase all data. Sometimes the issue is hardware-related. Carefully inspect your charging port for any lint, dust, or debris that could be preventing a proper connection. Use a small, non-metallic tool to gently clean it. A completely dead or faulty battery could also be the culprit, especially if the phone is older. Also, look for any signs of water damage or a cracked screen, which might indicate internal damage. If these steps don't revive your iPhone, it's likely time to seek professional help. Contact Apple support or visit an authorized service provider for a diagnostic. They have specialized tools to identify and repair more complex hardware problems. Remember, attempting advanced repairs yourself can sometimes cause further damage. Also, for those interested in improving their financial outlook, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.